Problem 10.27. If P is a product of n quantities in geometric progression, S is their sum, S prime the sum of their reciprocals, then P in terms of S, S prime, and N is what? This problem was 1971 AHSME problem 33. Let's see. We can assume this geometric sequence A times R, A times R squared, A times R to the power n minus 1. Then P is a product. So P is A to the power n times R to the power 0 plus 1 plus until n minus 1, which is A to the power n R to the power n times n minus 1 divided by 2. S is their sum, so S equals A plus AR plus AR squared plus and so on plus A R to the power n minus 1. S prime is the sum of the reciprocals. S prime is 1 over A plus 1 over AR plus 1 over AR squared plus and so on plus 1 over AR to the power n minus 1. If we multiply S prime by A squared and then multiply by R to the power n minus 1, we get A times R to the power n minus 1 plus A times R to the power n minus 2 plus and so on. The last term is A. It's just S. So S over S prime equals A squared R to the power n minus 1. Okay, P equals this. S over S prime equals this. What can we do? P squared is A to the power 2n R to the power n minus 1 times n. S over S prime to the power n is A to the power 2n R to the power n minus 1 times n. They are the same. But it doesn't mean that P is just a square root of S over S prime to the power n, because it can be negative of that as well. We don't know the sign. We need to be careful here. So P equals plus or minus S over S prime to the power n over 2. When do we have plus? When do we have minus? Let's consider some examples. I have a sequence with A equals 1, R equals 2, and there are 3 terms, just to be simple. Then the sequence is 1, 2, 4. P equals 8. S equals 7. S prime is 1 plus a half plus a quarter, which is 7 over 4. S over S prime to a power 3 over 2 is 4 to a power 3 over 2, which is 8, which is the same as P. This one works. Now I change it a little bit. I consider A equals 1, R equals negative 2, N is still 3. Then my sequence is 1, negative 2, 4. My P is negative 8. S is 3. S prime is 1 minus a half plus 1 over 4, which is 3 over 4. S over S prime is still 4. And S over S prime to a power 3 over 2 is still 8, which is negative P. Whether it should be plus or minus really depend on A, and R and N, these three numbers. So there are some errors in the original problem, and the solution included in the AoPS textbook.